like to fight a little dirty, baby. If I opened up and caved in, would you hurt me, baby?
Welcome back, beauties. D.Beasley here. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back, sis. Y'all know the drill. Grab a snack. We want them to be healthy now. I mean, you know, throw some Cheetos in there every now and again, but grab some juice, wine, cookie, you know, get comfortable. As you saw from the title, I'm going to be unboxing my very first Telfar bag. I finally got my purse. Listen, it took a long time and they're very hard to get a hold of. If you want to see me unbox my first Telfar bag, then keep on watching. Okay, beauty, so listen, I know this is a different type of video. I told y'all I'm trying to, you know, get out my comfort zone of makeup. So I wanted to come on here and unbox my Telfar bag with you all. Listen, this has been sitting for like 2 days because I haven't been able to film this video. I haven't been able to film this video, so this box has been sitting here. It's been killing me. I want to go ahead and just open it up with you all. A little bit of background on my knowledge about Telfar. I just learned about Telfar last year, okay? And I've been seeing the purses, the bags all over the place, and I'm like, what are those bags? And they're like hot commodities. Like, you can't get one, okay? Unless you're getting it through the program that I got it through, which is the bag security program. Basically, you can order any color, any bag, any size, as many as you want, but they don't ship until like a certain time period. So this bag wasn't supposed to get here until like March. I ordered it in like October. Yes, I did. I ordered it in October. So I was like, I'm just gonna go ahead and I just ordered one because that's all I need until I decide that I want to get some more. This is considered black luxury. So honey, I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. This is one of my very first, I think I have one of Mia Ray's bags. So if y'all want to see that bag, let me know. I opened it, but I haven't like opened it. I might be taking it on my trip. So okay. So I got the medium shopper. And here's the box. Here's what it looks like. That's how it comes. And the bag looks like that. I got the medium shopper in black and it retails for $202. Like I said, I only picked one. This is their bag security program 3. I ain't never heard of it. So I was really excited to be able to get one because I've been trying to get one of the bags and like it was almost impossible. Like once I learned about Telfar, it is owned by, and I'm pretty sure everyone knows, Telfar is owned by Telfar Clemens. Like I said, black owned luxury. Do you hear what I'm saying? So this is how the bag comes. And I'm not really good. I'm not good at unbagging. I'm gonna say I'm not good at unbagging, but I love me a good handbag. Y'all, oh child, I've been waiting on this bag since October. Yeah. Ooh, and I got the standard black. Y'all, okay, and this is his logo here. T with the C, yes sir. This is vegan leather. You have the long straps here and then you have the shorter straps here. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut that off. Well, look, I have to cut it off. It's a Velcro strap. Better come on. Ain't no paper you gotta cut off, sis. So here's what that looks like. Wow. And I got the medium because y'all, them little bitty small bags ain't for me. Now I'm not gonna lie, I more than likely will pick up a small one, like a brown or like a gold one, if I can get my hands on it. But that little bitty purse is not for me. Like the size difference between the small and the medium is like ridiculously, like it's crazy. But people say that you can put a lot in the small bag, so I'm assuming the same with the medium. This is what the inside looks like. You have the symbol, or you have the tag right here. You have this tag, but it's very roomy. Very roomy. Yeah, this is the perfect size for me because, honey, the only thing I'm confused about are the long straps and then the short straps. I've never seen it, like, to where it's not detachable. You know what I'm saying? But, girl, we got us a selfie. This one hits right at my hip for the medium size. Like I said, this is my only Telfar bag, so I'm not sure exactly the wear and tear conditions of them. I haven't heard any bad things about it, but I really like it. Going back to the inside again, the tag is here, but you also have a zipper here with a really big pocket there. Very cute. Then it has snap closure here, which it has plastic on it, so I'll take that off. It has the snap closure there. And yeah, it's a really cute bag. Like I said, I got black because I didn't want to get nothing I wasn't gonna carry, especially spending $200 on the bag. So yeah, there's my unboxing of my very first Telfar, okay? I do plan on purchasing more. I don't know if I want one of the large ones, but I do want one of the smaller ones. And like I said, the tan, the brown, or like a gold color, just so I can have, and maybe even the black. But I'm a black bag girl. You understand what I'm saying? I don't normally do like a lot of the bright colors. Like, I'm good on it. So, you know, I just want something that I can actually wear. I want something that's functional. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to get something that I can't wear it with. You know, I can't get as much use out of it as I want to. So yeah, here's my bag. Oh my god. Yeah, October, y'all. So if you do see the bag security program come out again, you want to go ahead and get what you want. Like I said, I only purchased one because that's enough for me. I don't need to purchase like 2 or 3 of them at the same time. One is fine. But I like the bag security program because you're actually able to guarantee that you get a bag. When they drop these colors, like they literally drop like a color at a time, like a restock, and you never know if you're going to be able to get it because they literally sell out in like 2 minutes. Truly. So the one I do want is the UGG and Telfar collab. I would like to have that one in the mini. I don't know if I can, maybe I can do it in the medium. If they restock it, I think they just restocked it and I missed it again. If they restock the UGG one again, I'll get that one, but I'll be happy with this one. This throws me off, but you can tuck the straps. Let's tuck the straps, and then they'll just be in the bag, which that's so weird to me when people are like, oh, you can tuck the straps, and I'm like, how? That's how. So my next black luxury bag that I want to get is a Brandon Blackwood. I actually been looking at his wallets. You know, start out small, build on up. But I hope y'all enjoyed this unboxing. I know it was a different type of video, but like I said, I am trying to step out of my comfort zone, give y'all some different type of content for the 2022 or whatever. But if you did like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave some comments down below. Do you have a Telfar bag? How did you snag the Telfar bag? Because baby, people have all type of strategies, and when I tell you, you literally have to be on the site at the right exact time. There's no right or wrong answer to it, like literally. But if you have one, comment down below. Let me know the color, what size, like how are you liking it, what's the functionality of it, how are you working with these 2 different kind of straps. Again, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and until next time, I'll see y'all later. Bye, beauties.